Today we're going to make a Playdoh octopus. Everyone, open your Play-Doh. Take the Play-Doh out. Ask your teacher for help if you need it. Everybody, take one piece of Play-Doh. Roll it into a ball. Just like this. Now put it on the table. Now take the rest of the Play-Doh and roll it into another ball. Now we're going to roll it out. Copy what I do. Make it nice and long. Now take your knife or stick. Cut the Play-Doh in half. Now we have two pieces. Cut the pieces in half again. Now we have four pieces. Move the pieces to the side. Take one piece and make it even longer. Roll it out like me. Now take another piece. Roll this piece out again too. Take this piece and put it across the first one. Look, it made a T. Now take a third piece. Roll this one out nice and long as well. Now take this piece and put it across the first two. Now take the last piece and roll it out nice and long like the first three. Take this one and put it across the pieces. Now push down. Now take the ball of Play-Doh and put it right in the center. Last but not least, we need some eyes. Take your two googly eyes and put them on the circle. That's a pretty cool octopus. Let's count the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tentacles.